So I wanted to have a discussion in regards to Sasuke's Rinnegan, and I think after Boruto Manga chapter 51, this will be a good time to have that discussion. So hello and welcome to Undervisey, my name is Soham and today we are going to talk about Sasuke's Rinnegan and why I think it's a problem in the Boruto era. Now please note that here we are diving into manga spoiler territory. If you are an anime only viewer, then you have been warned. This entire video contains manga spoilers. Also, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. Also, we are trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so a like and sub would be massively appreciated. With that being said, let's begin the video. Now the main point in having this discussion is in relation to Sasuke's Rinnegan, because he is not using the full potential of the Rinnegan in the Boruto era. And this is something long-time Naruto fans really do not like. So that's why I wanted to have this discussion to come to a conclusion as to whether this is a positive or a negative. Like, does Sasuke even need the full powers of the Rinnegan at this moment, especially while facing Ishiki Otsutsuki, or is it like bad writing of the series so far? So let's talk about it. Now, for those of you who don't remember, let me remind you all that Rinnegan is a very powerful technique. It grants the user 6 path techniques. What are the 6 paths? Now, the 6 paths are basically derived from the Hindu or Buddhist mythological scriptures, and it grants the users 6 main powers. They are the Deva path, the Asura path, the human path, the animal path, the Preta path, the Naraka path, and the outer path. Now, all of these 6 techniques are very powerful. And obviously, if you have seen the Pain Invasion arc, then you definitely understand why I'm saying this. But towards the very end of Naruto, Sasuke also got his very own Rinnegan, and it's a very unique Rinnegan, something which only he has because it is the 6 Tomoe Rinnegan. He has Tomoe in his Rinnegan, which grants him some special powers, especially space-time related ninjutsu, something that he uses extensively in the Boruto era. But other than his use of the space-time ninjutsu, what was the name of that? I guess it's called the Ameno Techikara. I'm really sorry, I don't remember the name exactly, so let's just call it the space-time ninjutsu. But other than his space-time ninjutsu and his Eternal Mangekyo Sharingan abilities like the Amaterasu, Susanoo and Tsukuyomi, he doesn't really use a lot of other techniques. For the most part, adult Sasuke really relies on his sword and most of the time his Chidori related abilities. But for the most part, he has not used the full potential of his Rinnegan. If I'm not wrong, the last time when he used his Deva Path abilities, that is the Chibaku Tensei, it was during the fight with Momoshiki where he used the planetary devastation to trap Momoshiki inside. Other than that, I can't even remember if he used Shinra Tensei or Bansho Tenin in the Boruto series or especially in the manga so far. I understand that some of the path techniques, he doesn't really need them currently, like he does not need the Naraka path or he does not need the human path in order to interrogate with people. He has a very high capability of intel extraction from enemies because of his Tsukuyomi and other Genjutsu related techniques. If I'm not wrong, these techniques require less amount of chakra in regards to Naraka path and human paths, but other than that, there are 4 more paths which have been, I don't think, never used by Sasuke. I know that one plot point has been brought up in this narrative again and again that Sasuke only has one Rinnegan, so he might not be able to use all the 6 part techniques. I think that it's a very big false statement because we have to remember that even Obito, someone who had only one Rinnegan, had full access of the 6 part techniques. So I really don't think that is a good statement here. I definitely think that Sasuke has access to all the 6 part techniques. Moreover, coming back to the manga, Ishiki Otsutsuki is probably the most formidable opponent that Naruto and Sasuke have faced so far. This is literally becoming a life and death situation, and Ishiki Otsutsuki, even in his Jigen form, was able to easily just obliterate the Susanoo, the perfect Susanoo. So at this point, the Susanoo and all his other powers are basically nothing in front of Ishiki Otsutsuki. He cannot use Amaterasu, he cannot use Susanoo because all of these techniques will be absorbed by the Karma mark. So the ninjutsu based techniques are literally useless for him currently. But other than that, he has some very interesting capabilities or powers other than the space-time ninjutsu obviously. And I feel like it is really underused in the manga. So far we have really seen that Ishiki Otsutsuki has manhandled Sasuke. He has thrown him, he has almost stabbed him and stuff like that. So in these situations, I really think it would have been better if Sasuke used the Deva part techniques like Bansho-Tenin and Shinra Tensei in order to escape or in order to have a favorable fighting situation. It's beyond me that why he is not using something like that. Please don't tell me the chakra related problems that he's low on chakra or something like that. That's just bad writing out there. Personally, I've been a really big fan of the Boruto manga. I think they're doing some really amazing stuff, but that does not mean that it is beyond criticism. There are some very questionable stuff that the manga is doing in relation to Sasuke and the other older gen. And I think the nerfing of his Rinnegan powers is the biggest problem that we have with the manga. It's just beyond me as to why he's not using his Deva Path powers. Moreover, he also has the animal path. I know that in the long run it cannot be something very useful for him because Ishiki can just shrink those animals, those summoned animals, but it can definitely provide him a escape mechanism or something where he can escape near death situation. It's beyond me that why he's not using something like that. Also, this just came into my mind right now while recording. He has Ashura Path as well as the Naraka Path. If I'm not wrong, a combined usage of both of these techniques can grant him a new body. It can basically grant him a new body. We know that Sasuke is hesitant of using the Hashirama cells and he basically wanted to punish himself for all the bad deeds he did in the past. But currently this is a life and death situation. I don't understand that why Sasuke is not just repairing his damaged arm. It can be very well done. The Naraka Path can very well do that. And that's pretty much the point of discussion of this video. I think that the full powers of the Rinnegan are not being utilized properly in the Boruto manga. There is a lot of stuff that the Rinnegan can do. If you remember that Pain was such a formidable villain because of his Rinnegan powers. Those were some very OP power set. And literally the Rinnegan grants a user near godlike abilities. So seeing Sasuke manhandled like that, even with having a Rinnegan, a special Rinnegan, it's just beyond me at this point. I do think that the manga is setting up for the usage of the outer path, especially in relation to the Rinne Rebirth technique, because Naruto is about to use his most deadly technique so far, a form that Kurama says will eventually kill him. So I think the manga is setting up the usage of outer paths in the form of Rinne Rebirth to revive Naruto, but other than that, I do not see the full potential of Rinnegan, especially in the Boruto manga. It would have been so cool to see Sasuke evading all the attacks of Ishiki Otsutsuki by a combined usage of Shinra Tensei and Bansho-Tenin. It's just a missed opportunity at this point for me. It's really annoying and frustrating, to be honest. Just seeing him using the space-time ninjutsu and Chidori all the time, it just gets boring and annoying for a moment. But also the point can be said here that the manga is setting up for a new form or new power set of Sasuke, because we are already seeing new powers for Naruto. So it's very much possible that finally Sasuke will be using the full range of his Rinnegan, his special Rinnegan. Because yeah, we have to remember that up until this point, all the fights that Sasuke had were basically fodder level. He didn't had to face a god level threat. He only had to face human ninjas so far. And for them, he really didn't need all these techniques. But now that the situation is so dire, he is literally facing the strongest opponent he has faced so far. So I think now would be a good time for him to use the 6-part techniques and the full utilization of his Tomoe Rinnegan. At least that's what I think. So what are your thoughts about all of this? Please mention them in the comment section below. Do you think Sasuke's Rinnegan has been nerfed in the series, or do you think that this makes sense plot-wise? Do you think that the Rinnegan will finally be used to its fullest potential in the upcoming chapters during the fight with Ishiki Otsutsuki? What are your thoughts to all of this? Please mention them in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is WonderYZ and I'll see you soon in the next video.